Hi, welcome to this short talk on coaching, which is part of our 5 Minutes of Supervision series. My name is Matthew Links and I'm the Clinical Lead for Medicine Placements at Bond Uni. Supervision is a relationship that has many similarities to that of a coach, in that it has the aim of improving performance, it's focused on the needs of the learners, motivates and inspires, and uses feedback to drive performance. Supervision has additional elements that include a responsibility for the safety and well-being of the patient. Coaching is best considered a tool in the supervision toolbox. A useful model for coaching relationship is the GROW model: goals, reality, options, and will, which form a cycle of improvement. So let's have a look at each of those steps. The first step is to set goals, and in a student-centered model, it's the student who has to own the process of setting goals. The role of the coach is to nudge the student to set good goals. Reviewing what data is available to help set goals is a good place to start. Are there any gaps, any areas of identified need? Learning goals should also be linked to the curriculum. The curriculum is a resource to guide learning, a map, if you like, of the terrain that needs to be covered. It outlines both professional and technical goals for learning. The useful acronym is the concept of SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. But an important additional aspect for goal setting is that goals are strategic. There are many possible learning goals that a learner can set. It really is important that they think carefully about what's going to give them the most impact. The R in the GROW model stands for reality, and for an expert learner, we would expect that they are able to assess themselves that this aligns with reality. For a novice, they may need more external input, and this is feedback from the supervisor. When the self-assessment and the external assessment align, that's insight, and that's our goal. Generating options is one of the main roles of a coach, and we want learners to be able to generate their own options. The problem is that novices have a fairly limited range of tools in the toolbox. So our role as a supervisor is to prompt them to think differently. Novices will default to reading a textbook. The supervisor might encourage them to create opportunities for practice. This might include simulation, workplace assessment, informal feedback. Generating diverse options gives learners choices. The W stands for will, or sometimes what's next. And this is about making a plan and committing to that plan. It's also about being able to identify the supports and anticipate and overcome the barriers to carrying out that plan. So this is a quick overview of the GROW model. I would encourage you to think about expanding your coaching skills as a supervisor, and here are some useful resources, including some interesting ones that tap into learning from the sporting world. Thanks for your attention, and if you've enjoyed this video, I encourage you to seek out others in our 5 Minute of Supervision series. Thanks for the attention.